Welcome to Jivrus Looker Studio Connectors. We're excited to introduce our Looker Studio Connectors. Reports and dashboards are powerful tools for exploring business insights and taking the right actions at the right time. Jivrus Looker Studio Connectors help you connect Looker Studio with various external applications and use them as data sources to build effective reports and dashboards. In this video, we'll see how the Jivrus Looker Studio Connector helps you retrieve data from different applications and create reports in Looker Studio. You can access the connector either by clicking the Use It Now button on our connector website or directly from the Looker Studio gallery. Jivrus offers two types of Looker Studio connectors, Classic Connectors and AppyWorks Looker Studio Connectors. With Classic Connectors, you can connect one account at a time. With AppyWorks connectors, you can connect multiple accounts through the AppyWorks platform and bring all your data into a single report. In this video, we'll focus on how to connect and retrieve data using Classic Connectors. To learn how AppyWorks connectors work, please visit our AppyWorks connector website, such as the MongoDB connector, Odoo CRM connector, and others. Now, let's see how to connect using the Jivrus Google Calendar connector, which is one of our Classic connectors. You can launch the Google Calendar connector either from the Use It Now button on the connector page or directly from the Looker Studio gallery. Let's go to the Looker Studio gallery, search for Jivrus, and select any of our connectors. For this demonstration, we will use the Google Calendar connector. Once selected, it will take you to the connector setup configuration page. Here, we need to follow 4 simple steps: authentication, configuration, schema, and data. Authentication is the process of verifying a user's identity. You need to authorize the connector by providing the required credentials. Several authentication methods are used by connectors, including OAuth 2.0, username and password, and API token. OAuth 2.0 is a standard authorization protocol. Connectors that use OAuth 2.0 provide an Authorize button, which allows secure access to data through this protocol. As shown here, the Google Calendar connector uses OAuth 2.0 authentication. Now, let's proceed with authorization. Click the Authorize button, choose your Google account, and continue. You will then be asked to authorize the Google Calendar connector. Click Authorize again to complete the authentication process. Once authorization is complete, the next step is configuration. Configuration depends on the connector you are using. Here, we need to choose the object and the calendar from which we want to retrieve data. After selecting these options, click the Connect button. You will now be taken to the schema page, where you can view all supported fields along with their data types. Click Create Report to proceed. This opens the report page, where you can add the required fields and start building your dashboard. Let's add a date range to the report and create charts as needed. You can now customize your report by adding dimensions and metrics to your charts to organize and analyze your data. You can also add a stacked bar chart to visualize and compare data across multiple categories in a single view. You can also use the Style panel to adjust colors, labels, and layout to make your report more clear and visually effective. That's it. With Jivrus Looker Studio connectors, such as the Google Calendar connector, you can connect your Google Calendar data and bring everything together in one place. You can also use multiple Jivrus connectors to connect different applications and combine data within the same report. Thank you for watching.